Okay, so for the extra credit for the y-intercept, obviously you let x equals 0, and so on the last quiz where it was extra credit, if students got the extra credit if all they did was write this, and then many of them went straight to the calculator and where's my apps? Okay. Oh, it's not on. Ding dong. Okay. Yeah, -3, 0.4. Yeah, okay. And so you hit equal and you get -5. Beautiful. That's what the graph showed, right? So some students, they got the extra credit just by writing this, because then I knew you just went into the calculator and the calculator gives you the answer beautifully. Yeah? I'm recording, guys, just to let you know, so I can put it up on Canvas. Okay, the x-intercept is more work, and yes, you're going to use this, but it's more for computations, kind of when you get to the end. All right, you're going to let y y0, y be 0. All right, you always go KA. Your first step is always inverse operate the K, and then you inverse operate the A. Are they washing outside? Let me close the door. Okay, so, yeah, they're washing something out there. That's why it's loud. All right, so you inverse operate the K. And then you inverse operate the A. Yeah? Okay, and so then this is where some of you kind of got stumped, because again, if I realize you guys are under COVID math, probably during middle school, so how much of absolute value solving you practice online, yeah, some of you could have got very minimal practice with it. So you do your two cases, the positive and the negative case. And that's because you guys know what's absolute value of -2? 2. What's absolute value of +2? 2, right? So you got to do your two cases. Because remember, absolute value just means the distance from 0. So -2 is 2 increments from 0. +2 is 2 increments from 0. So it doesn't care about direction of the distance. It's just how far away is it from 0. That's just absolute value. Okay? So you got to do your two cases. So we're going to do the +7/3 and the -7/3. And then you're just, so x plus 4, +7/3, x plus 4, -7/3, because we're to the right of that origin and to the left of that origin. And so then just inverse operate the 4. Oh wait, +7/3. I was doing the two cases already, sorry. And then you just throw that in. And then afterwards I'll show you something else. Hold on. -4 plus 7/3, which gives me, which is 1.6, and that was one of them on Desmos. We'll go back to the graph on Desmos and show you guys. And then subtract, wait. -6.3. Okay, this is the proper, but ideally if you wanted to just take off, you're like, wait, so you just mean I'm just going to go, since that's +4, just opposite because I have to inverse operate it. -4 is equal to plus, whoops, oh my god, -4 plus or minus 7/3. That's really what you're looking at. You inverse operate as a 4, and then plus or minus, that's 7/3. Okay. Okay, that's perfect. That's accurate, which is on, on Desmos. That's what it shows. Those are, I mean, I don't have the vertex here, but those are the 4 critical points on Desmos. Right, so let's, yeah, I don't, I'll stop it first. Can I stop it? Yeah? Okay, here, let me stop it. I'm gonna